we are working on the winch bumper here for Caleb's 4Runner, and we just cut out this cardboard, which was the box for the winch, and we're gonna start making our template for where the winch is gonna mount here in front of the radiator. So just drawing things up, and we call this CAD board. We'll do the best we can here. We're starting to lay out what is going to be the winch base, which is this component here. And we've got some lines marked where we're gonna fold the metal up for our fair lead mount. And then we're gonna make lines so we can fold this up to kind of box in the winch mount. But this would be like the base portion of it. So yeah, just plugging away, trying to figure things out as we go here. But this is the way I like to usually work when I build bumpers. If you've watched any of my past videos, is I will build the winch structure first and make sure it's strong and adequate and spaced right, and then I go off of that and build the remaining portion of the bumper. But I like to start with the winch mount, which is what we're doing again today. So see what we cut out now. So we've got kind of the main plate, and then we've made tabs all the way around that we can fold up to kind of box it in. And we relief cut it where we're gonna fold it. And yeah, I guess we'll do that and see how it looks. So we'll clamp that to my metal work table here as best we can. And we'll throw a couple of pipe wrenches on this and see if we can get it to bend up the way we'd like. So we ended up taking a grinder and relief cutting the outside edge as well. And we folded it, it made it way easier. Just the intermittent relief cuts with the plasma just weren't enough. We actually can kind of see the wrinkles in this when we first tried to bend it. So we'll have to do something with that, but this is working great.
Andy's over here starting to stack some dimes on the 4Runner.
Oh boy, I wouldn't say that. Starting to look like something. We got the recovery pull points on both sides and the winch carrier plate kind of all mounted, and got that mostly welded in. So now we'll have to set the winch in there. We got to figure out the bolt pattern, get that drilled in, and then we'll have to plasma cut out the front where the fair lead stuff is going to come through. Once we know winch location, and we figure out fair lead location and get that all going. But so far so good. Turning out pretty sharp. Should be pretty sweet. All right, so we just plased out the hole for the fair lead, and things are looking good. So now we got all of our marks made for the winch mounting points. So we're gonna see if we can get those drilled out and just test fit the winch into that area. Make sure that we're good to go there before we continue on with creating the wings for the bumper here. Yeah. Getting the pilot holes started for our winch mounting. We got the one started out front for the fair lead. Getting her done.
We have one little piece of tape.
So we're just trying to figure out the next piece of the puzzle here. So we've made a piece that we think we can use symmetrically on both sides to encompass kind of the front and the wraparound piece. And then we'll probably add some, like, at a slight angle underneath to give some structure to that corner. So if you were to bump something, it would have a little bit extra rigidity to it. And then we'll probably cut this to fill in the void up here as well. And then on the inside, we're thinking of cutting a piece that goes down and ties into everything to kind of add structure to that corner. And I've done the same thing. Actually, if you look at the bumpers on both of my trucks, Stomper and Spike both have that same kind of setup around the winch. So yeah, it's turning out great, man. This looks really good. Super happy with the outcome so far. Just looking forward to playing Legos here. So we've taken our template and cut out two matching pieces We just need to figure out our score point so that we can bend the ends the opposite directions, one for each side. And notice we added the little tab that'll go up and fill underneath the headlights so we don't have that kind of blank open area. But yeah, Caleb's just knocking the slag off of them after Plas cutting them out, and we'll see what we can do to get them bent. Everything's square. You don't get to bend her twice.
I know. I mean, from what a guy can tell, that's about as good as you're gonna get. All right. I wonder.
That works pretty slick.
That's neat.
Yeah.
Bring it all the way up here.
And a few clickety clacks of the old press. You got a nicely bent corner piece. All right, so now that we've got our corner pieces on that we made, we're working on cutting some filler plates that'll go in here, which will tie the bottom together with the winch plate on the front and the corner all into one. We'll do that on both sides, but that will add a lot of strength to everything here. And then after that, we're gonna come to the outsides and we're gonna cut plates to go on the bottom here at an angle. That'll tie this in, giving a bunch of structure to this outer corner. So, because right now you can kind of grab that corner and flex it and wiggle it. But once we tie that in, it'll triangulate everything and add a lot of structure to this corner. So, and Caleb's thinking in the future, we'll probably end up, you do have kind of a big surface here, but he wants to cut in and mount some fog lights. So we'll be able to weld a tab on the back side of this, giving them a good mounting surface and a nice spot to have some lights mounted where they'll be recessed and safe out of harm's way. So yeah, it's turning out pretty cool. So we're gonna get back to cutting and welding and grinding and making a bunch of messes and seeing what we can come up with here.
I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough as.
We're working away here. We've added our structural pieces to the bottom here, which not only give it some aesthetic characteristic, but also, you know, triangles are way stronger than flats. So now that corner is super rigid. Got the same going on the other side.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change.